Hey, it's VJ from Canada, and you're tuned into Johnny Canuckster's Classic Auto Television Showcase.
My father bought this building in about 1964, and I was 9. I remember walking in here at the time, and just a dirty old building, and anyway, he built the place up and worked on cars and restored cars for years.
How did you hook up with Fawcett Motors?
Well, I used to, I knew Ron for a long time. In fact, there was a tour in our hometown in about 60, I think. And I met Ron there, and then ended up living here and moving to Whitby in 63. And Ron and I just stayed good friends. I had a business here in town. We fixed Ron's trucks. As memory goes here, we ended up at one point was living right beside this place, and one thing and another in 1967 I joined with Fawcett's and worked for Ron and with Pete here.
Yeah. What's the shop all about? What kind of work do you do here?
Well, we're pretty flexible. We'll just do repairs on cars, or we'll restore a car completely. Sometimes there's damage, something falls on something, or an accident on the road, and we fix that too. We do our best to put the cars back as original as they could be. We're located in Whitby here at it's 106 Palmerston Avenue. Like I said, we've been here since 64 in this location, so it's 50 years this year that this garage has been open. And fixing from one end of the scale to the other. This is an Oldsmobile here where we're looking at right now, 1904. They actually assembled these in Ontario, in St. Catharines, and this is one of 4 cars to exist. It's a one-cylinder car, and it's not a curved dash, it's a French front car. And it's a funny thing, but some people think that things are new and everything, but this is 1904 and it has a tilt steering wheel, which is pretty cool, I think, for the time.
No MP3 player, though.
No, you're just a songbook in the glove box. Yeah. The Canadian Automotive Museum in Oshawa was open in about the same year, I think 63 or 4, I can't remember for sure. I should know. I was there the night before it opened. I was 9 years old. My father helped put the thing together years ago, and I'm actually on the board of directors at the moment. It's a pretty cool place. There's a lot of interesting cars that are some are one of a kind, made in Canada cars. A lot of people don't know about that, but it's worth a look. The building's an old, it's Ontario Motor Sales, our first dealership from the 20s. And it's not brand new, but it's there, and it's open every day but Christmas.
Okay, one thing we have here at Fawcett Motors is a good collection of good cars that are for sale. And what do we have here, Art? This one's amazing.
It's the first year of Camaro, which makes it significant, and also it's the SS, which is not the cheapest Camaro they sold. Very desirable car, and it's been totally apart, restored, and ready for the new owner. A very collectible car, being the first year of Camaro, and again an SS.
It's high performance, eh?
Well, it's I guess you'd call it that. Yes, the SS is not your cheapest model; it's the most desirable, and the car's ready to go.
Yeah. Now they're pumping out a lot of Camaros down at the Oshawa plant. Was this made in Oshawa? Do you know?
I didn't do the research on that.
Okay. Okay, trick question.
Sure.
Most of its life, with the exception of that little Chevy over there. It's very rare that the body is so clean and good.
Oh, okay.
Usually they're rotted away so bad. You can fix them, but it's a lot of work to do so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and we got a Mustang. They're a dime a dozen. I see a lot of them, but this one's in nice shape.
Yeah, it's a little '68 convertible. Just a 6-cylinder, but a good car, and reasonably priced as well, and ready to use.
1947 Caddy.
Yeah, nice convertible. Yeah. Pretty car. Needs a good shine up, but we'll do that when the weather thaws out a bit here. Again, it just depends on the era you like. This is a very drivable car. It goes down the road just fine.
Okay, we're going to go down a little bit further, and this is one I really love.
Yeah. Yeah, a nice Mustang. It's a 66 fastback. It's the GT. It's a pretty clean body. It's out of California to start with, so V8 automatic, ready to go.
Okay, there we go with the debut of Fawcett Motors TV. I'll let Peter take it away.
Thanks, folks, for tuning in, and please drop by and see us
At 106 Palmerston,
at 106 Palmerston.
Whitby, Ontario. The Fawcett Motor Carriage Company has operated in Whitby, Ontario for more than 40 years. Originally a welding shop when the doors opened those many years ago. This is a family operation that buys, sells, and restores the antique variety of automobile with award-winning restoration efforts. The shop does vehicle repairs from small to big, minor repairs to complete restorations. They can take a boneyard wreck and bring it back to its original factory condition. Fawcett Motors sell new and reproduction parts for many car models and can fabricate parts that may no longer be available. This Durham region shop does high quality painting, bodywork, and rebuilds of mechanical components for any antique car. Fawcett Motors' selection of classic cars for sale is amazing and is always changing. They may purchase your car or take it in as a trade-in. If you're looking for a particular car that is not on their lot, they have many contacts to help you find any rare car you may desire. The Fawcett Motor Carriage Company is owned and operated by Peter Fawcett and Art Carty. The shop is located at 106 Palmerston Avenue in Whitby, Ontario. For inquiries, please give them a call at 905-668-4446 or visit their website fawcettmotors.com. Fawcett Motors, competitive prices for top quality workmanship. Johnny Canuckster, Classic Auto Showcase, some of the rarest cars you'll see on the planet. Cheers from Canada.